In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Phantom Wallet in 2025. So Phantom Wallet is one of the most popular Solana-based wallets, allowing users to store, swap, and trade crypto seamlessly. So if you're new to Phantom or looking for a quick tutorial on trading, this guide will walk you through the entire process. So first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet installed to your browser if you're using a PC, or if you're using a mobile device, make sure you downloaded this Phantom application. So if you haven't set it up, you can head over to the official website of the Phantom app if you're using a browser. And then if you're using a mobile, you can go to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store in order to install this Phantom Wallet application. And make sure you already create an account, and don't forget to securely store your secret recovery phrase, as this is the only way to recover your wallet if needed. So now to start trading, you need some SOL in your wallet to cover transaction fees. So you can deposit SOL from the exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken by copying your Phantom wallet address and pasting it into the withdrawal sections of your exchange. And now once your wallet is funded, may open your Phantom and then click the swap tab. So in here, you can trade different Solana-based tokens without needing an external exchange. And so you can select the token you want to swap from the token you want to receive, and then enter the amount you want to trade and review the estimated fees. And then after that, just simply click the swap and approve the transactions. So Phantom will process your trade in seconds, and you'll see your new tokens in your wallet balance. And for a wider selection of tokens, you can use a DEX like Radium, Jupiter, or Orca to trade on DAX. You can visit the platform website and connect your Phantom wallet in there. And that's it. That's how you trade on Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.